Let's get it. If I woke up without you, I don't know what I would do. Thought I could be single forever till I met you. Usually don't be falling fast. You got a way of keeping me coming back to.
Yeah, we do. But I mean, I don't talk that much.
Hey, you know I absolutely love you, right? I'm a fictional character. Yeah, and you're my favorite individual in the world.
I really like corn.
What do you like about corn?
It's corn. A big corn that knobs. It has the juice. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing. It's corn. I can tell you all about it. I mean, look at this thing. When I find it, I don't anything change.
Good! I didn't mean it like that. What I mean is, glad I'm not alone. Met any cute guys? Tara? Or girls? Whatever you prefer.
I'm rolling with the LGBT.
We'll get together someday!
Me with that emo jerk face?
At least I'm not a furry like you.
Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nicolette. I'm a junior Mayflower Scout. Don't you hesitate. Girl, put your record on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your head down.
Must have been my imagination.
Down here.
Huh? Oh, hi.
Greetings, potential customer. My name is Nicolette. I'm a junior Mayflower Scout, and today I'm selling Mayflower Scout cookies for my troop.
How did you get into this building?
Well, it wasn't hard. I just walked in.
Where are your parents?
Where are your parents?
Why do you want to know?
That's exactly what I was going to ask you. It's none of your business. Now, mister, are we going to play the question game, or are you going to go buy some cookies?
What kind do you have?
I have Thin Mints, Samoas, chocolate raisins, chocolate chip, Thunder chocolates.
Thanks, but I can't have... I really don't want cookies.
Are you on a diet? Because you don't look fat. I thought all college guys were fat nerds.
That's incredibly rude and a blind assumption.
Look, I'm gonna level with you. The streets outside this college are crawling with Mayflower and Werewolf Scouts, pawing their way through each neighborhood to get the most customers. Me, I decided to come to this campus because it's untouched Scout territory. I'm going to make a killing.
Then go sell to someone else. I'm good, thanks.
Mister, I know you just did not close the door in this little girl's face. Now listen, you are my first customer. I came into the building first, and I'm starting from the top down.
People aren't allowed up here.
There's nothing stopping people, so obviously they are.
I don't want cookies.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
I'm closing the door.
Listen, you close this door, you slam a little girl's hand. We wouldn't want that, would we?
Are you crazy?
My mom calls me fierce, determined.
She should add brat to that.
Why do you wear a bandana over your face? That's weird.
To cover my eyes.
Why not wear sunglasses?
Because I don't want to.
Well, sunglasses would look better. You look weird, and you're probably weird because you don't want cookies. Also, are you all alone on this floor? I went into the other room, and no one lives there.
How did you get in there?
I lockpicked the door.
That's... what?
Just buy some cookies.
Why?
Because if you don't, I'll go cry to your girlfriend and tell her you were a meanie.
Joke's on you. I don't have a girlfriend.
Makes sense. No girl wants to date a guy who doesn't like cookies.
If I buy a box, will you leave me alone?
Yep.
Here, take the money and just leave.
Now, which box would you?
Anything! I don't care!
Here you go! Pleasure doing business with ya! Time to find more suckers! If you love me, give me something sweet! Anything? To the point it will make me wanna cry and get me waking up, shake it up, tangle up. You could be waking up, make it up, tangle up. You can't be faking it, making it all my love. It's all a tragedy. Don't get me tangled up.
Sometimes I like to eat food, but then I remember Charlie doesn't like to eat food, but he likes Nick. So I ate Nick.
Shiva, don't you see? Baby, nothing comes for free. They say I'm a control freak, driven by greed to succeed. Nobody can tell me, 'cause it's my problem if I wanna back up and run away. It's my business if I feel the need to smoke and drink and drink. It's my problem if I feel the need to hide. And it's my problem if I have no friends and feel I want to die.
He's singing, don't fuck with my love. That heart is so cold, all over my own. I don't wanna know that.
Av, my precious daughter, I'm honestly concerned about you. I've been hearing rumors about you.
That letter is a threat!
If that's how you see it, then maybe it's best you step away from the guy.
The note says, stay away from him.
Am I crying? Why am I crying about this? It was just a stupid note. I need to stop being so sensitive.
Hey, baby.
Huh?
How's it cooking, good looking?
I'm studying, not cooking.
Cute. Hey, you look amazing in those tights. Got some fine legs.
Okay. Thank you?
Wanna go have a makeout session in the library?
What?
I mean, you gotta study, and I can help you. Plus, maybe get a little action in while we're at it.
Okay, stop. What are you doing?
Oh, come on, sweets. I've heard about you. I mean, who hasn't?
She's an old friend of mine, and I don't appreciate you talking to her like that.
Ah, mad you missed out. Okay, then.
Shut up!
Look, I get it, bro. You got friend-zoned, and now you're looking to get in on this too. But don't worry, I'll let you have seconds.
Many ways to love ya. Got me like, oh my God, I'm so in love. I found you finally. You make me wanna say, oh, 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 oh my God.
That's her. I've heard she's gotten with almost half the guys on yours.
She's barely impressed with like us. That's disgusting.
People are watching me.
Babe?
Just because you assume someone acts a certain way doesn't give you the right to invite yourself to them. Words can be harmful.
Why me?
Anxiety. It's quite hard to explain. They ask, why are you so scared? Nothing is going to happen, but they just don't get it. It's the feeling that you get just as you hit the water. It's the feeling you get when all eyes on you. Don't stutter, don't fall, be perfect. Am I walking weird? Do I look okay? Does my hair look bad? Is someone judging me? It eats you from the inside out. Yet if you hide behind a mask, no one will ever know.
She's just not
Kid, think you can help speed up the process here? This chick is taking forever.
It's her first day on the job. She needs to learn.
Wow, that's the nicest thing anyone has said to me today.
What? But no, that wasn't supposed to be.
Oh, sticking up for her, huh? Shouldn't you be training her? I saw you making coffee before.
She can do it herself.
You do believe in me!
What? That's not what I... just give me the stupid coffee. Here, take it and get out of my face.
Oh, look, you can do it.
Remind me to get back that piece of...
Thank you so much!
You suck at making coffee. I had to do it for you.
Hey, that's not very nice! What happened to you sticking up for me from before?
I wasn't!
All right, you two. Your hands-on session is over. Gawai-chan, great work. Zane, good job sticking up for your fellow employee. That's honorable.
I didn't mean, but... whatever. I'm out.
Fuck their wives, drink their blood. Come on, Jeff, get 'em!
Interesting set of friends. Let's see where this goes.